we want to do the practical live. Let me teach us how to do the practical before we go to our stance to perform the practical. This is a hanging mass. This is a wooden block. This is the inclined plane bench. The inclined plane bench. This is the pulley here. So these are sets of masses we are going to be using during the practical. Okay. To start the practical, we now tie the rope. We tie the rope to the hanging mass. So we tie the rope to the hanging mass, the thread, then tie it to the wooden block. When we tie it to the wooden block, yeah, then when we tie it, then we now keep the wooden block here. When we are keeping it on the inclined bench, so we now pass the hanging mass over the pulley. Hanging mass over the pulley. We make sure that we have a line here, like as it is. We have a line on the inclined bench where this wooden block will stay in each practical. Then this is the hanging mass where weight will be added, like as I explained on the board. So the wooden block here, see the wooden block? So see the inclined bench, see it here, see the pulley here, see the weight. Now, to perform the first practical, we now put this 100-gram mass. But before then, let us write the weight of the wooden block as it is on the wooden block, 110. We write it 110 grams. That is the mass of the wooden block. So, when we add the 100-gram mass here, we start now to be fixing masses here. Then we'll be fixing masses here until this wooden block starts to slide. We now count the total mass on this hanging mass. Okay, let's do it. We have first weight here. It's not moving. We start adding 20 grams. The one we added now is a 50-gram mass, while the hanging mass itself is 50 grams. So we now add another one. It's not moving. That is, we add another one. The thing starts to move now, Abby. You see it is moving, Abby? Yes. Okay. So when the thing starts to move, we now count the total mass we have here. The total mass we have 50 plus 50 plus 40. What? 140. So the total weight it has is what? 140. We write it on W what? 1. W1. That is 140.00. We repeat it again to see whether we are still going to get the same. So we now reposition it at the same place, then pass it over again. Okay, let's see whether we're still going to have the same weight. Okay, we have, okay, let's put 20, and let's put another one. It's not moving. It is moving now, Abi? Yes. Okay, let's check it. The one we did now is W2 to verify what we have. So this is 50 gram plus another 50 is what? 100. Plus 20 120. Plus another 20 140. That's good. We still have the same 140. So we write it in W2. That is 140.00. That is the way we rate it here. Now to calculate it, 140 plus 140 is what? 280. 280 divided by 2 is the same 140. So that is it. Now to get this place, as I told us, m plus this m, the value here, plus the value here, that is 100 plus 110 is what? What? 210. 210. So we now do the second practical. To do the second practical, we now pass it over here as usual, making sure that the wooden block is at the same position. This is 100. The second mass we are going to add is 200. So we have 100. We add another one here. When we add another one, we start to put masses until it begins to slide. We now record the mass at this point. When we record it, we repeat it again to see if we are still going to get the same weight. So that is the way we are going to do it. When we do it now, we record under this 200, I mean, record the first W1 and W2. Get this and this. Then 300 to perform the practical for 300 gram mass. We put 100 to the 200 we already have. Then, making sure that we maintain the same position, we start to add masses until the weight moves this down. Are we there? Then when we do it, this is the 300 I mean to say. Then after that, we put another one, making it 400, perform the same practical. Then the last one is 500. When we put it, we start to add extra weight as we have them here to get W1 and W2, after which we now plot the graph. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. We're going to go to our various stands now. Thank you very much.